Good morning, children. Today, let us do few questions related to the topic constructing and solving equations. To solve an equation, we need to find the value of the unknown letter. നമ്മൾ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആ ഇക്വേഷനിലുള്ള അൺനോൺ ലെറ്റർ ദറ്റ് ഈസ് വേരിയബിൾ അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, let us do few examples, children. Our first question is x plus 5 is equal to 12. Here we are going to find the value of x. Okay, x plus 5 is on the left side of the equal sign and 12 is on the right side. Okay, so write x in the left side and take this plus 5 to the right side. Use inverse operation of plus. Inverse operation of plus is minus. So 12 minus 5. So the value of x is 7. Okay, x is equal to 7 is our answer. So children, here we are using inverse operations to solve this equation. Here we are taking plus 5 to the right side of the equal sign. Then plus 5 becomes minus 5. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay. Our next question is x minus 3 is equal to 12. Write x first. Then take this minus 3 to the right side. Okay. So write 12 first and take minus 3 to the right side. Minus 3 means subtract 3. Subtract, the inverse operation of subtract is addition. So minus 3 becomes plus 3. Okay. So 12 plus 3, 15. So x is equal to 15 is our answer. Okay. So children, here we are taking the inverse operation of subtraction, that is addition. Okay. In left side x minus 3, this minus 3 becomes plus 3 when we are taking this to the right side of the equal sign. Okay. Let us do few examples, children. Our next question is 7x is equal to 70. 7x means 7 into x. Okay, so write x first and take this 7 to the right side. 7 into x is 7x. So the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So 70 divided by 7, that is 10. X is equal to 10 is our answer. Okay. Now our next question is x by 2 is equal to 6. X by 2 means x divided by 2. So take this 2 to the right side. In the left side it is divided by 2. So right side it becomes into 2. Inverse operation of division is multiplication. So x is equal to 12 is our answer. Okay. So children, here in this question into becomes divide. Inverse operation of multiplication is division, and here the division becomes multiplication. Inverse operation of division is multiplication. Okay. Our next question is 13 is equal to y minus 5. 13 is equal to y minus 5. So write y minus 5 in the left side and 13 in the right side. Okay. Now take this minus 5 to the right side. So write y first, then 13 minus 5 becomes plus 5. Inverse operation of subtraction is addition. So our answer is y is equal to 18. Okay. Now our next question is 42 is equal to 6y. We can write it as 6y is equal to 42. Okay. Left side ulla right side right side ulla left side lekkum change cheyyam. Variable part eppozhum nammal left side ezhudha. Okay. Now find the value of y. Y is equal to, here 6y means 6 into y. So the inverse operation of multiplication is division. Okay. Here the meaning is 6 into y. It becomes 6 divided by 6. Okay. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 7. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Okay. Now let us check our answers, children. Here the value of y is 7. So our equation is 6y is equal to 42. Let us check this. Substitute the value of y here. 6y means 6 into y. Substitute 7 for y. 6 into 7 is 42. Okay. So our answer is correct. 6y is equal to 42. Now let us check one more question. Thirteen is equal to y minus 5. Here the value of y is 18. Now let us check this. Y minus 5 is equal to, substitute 18 for y. So 18 minus 5. 18 minus 5 is 30. Okay. 30. So our answer is correct. Okay. Now children, here x minus 3 is equal to 12. In this question, x minus 3 is equal to 12. The value of x is 50. Let us check this, children. Substitute this value in the given expression, x minus 3. So substitute 15 for x. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. 12 is our answer. Okay. So children, to solve an equation means to find the value of the unknown letter or variable in the given equation. We can use inverse operations to solve equations. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Thank you, children. Take care.